Hi guys, today we'll be disassembling the Altec lansing wireless headphone. The model number is mzw100. So this is a waterproof headphone, waterproof and sandproof headphone, IP67 rated. And the reason why I am disassembling it is because while I was testing it for waterproofness, this headphone failed. So water went into it and the battery got short, and now I have to replace the battery. So I thought it's a good time to open it up and show it to you, so you know that what do you get when you buy these headphones. So this is how the headphone looks like. I've changed the earphone already. I'll tell you why later on. I did not like the headphones very much, so I changed them. So the water actually went in from here and went in from here. So I've already opened it so I can show it to you. This is the way it is. So there's no seal over here, it's all plastic. There's no rubber involved, no sealing, nothing. They've basically tried to merge them together tightly so that water doesn't go in, but apparently it manages to go inside. My biggest disappointment was this one, where if you open this up, this is how it is. So there's no seal, no nothing, so it just comes off just like that. It's that flimsy. And over here, the microphone hole and the microphone, they don't have any waterproof seal, nothing at all on it. So how is it waterproof? That I don't know. So this is your waterproof headphone. So it went bad, so I have to change the battery now. This was the battery which is gone, so I went to the market, purchased a new one. So it's a 3.7 volt 120 mAh battery. So I got a new one. So it's fairly simple: red, black, plus to plus, minus to minus, and that should do the work. So if you want to take a closer look at this is how the PCB is. You have the micro USB over here, one single mic over here, so there's no noise cancellation on this headphone, and you have the battery and the earphone coming from one side and another earphone coming from the other side, and 3 buttons over here and 2 LEDs over here. That's it, nothing else, nothing fancy. So that's basically it, nothing much in this. Okay, so it's done, it's working now. If you like the video, please go ahead and subscribe, press the like button, and I'll be coming out with more videos. Thank you, bye bye.